Hello. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate how much you need to pay per month to pay off your credit card in a given amount of time. Okay, so let's say that you want to pay off your credit card in 2 years or 6 months. It doesn't matter, you choose. This is going to calculate what you've got to pay per month in order to do that. Let's get started. Oh, and by the way, we're using Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. So there's a couple things you're going to need to know. The rate, the number of periods, the number of months that you want that your goal is to pay this off. Your payment, it's going to calculate for you. Your present value, how much you owe on the core cards, what type it is. This just means whether they calculate this at the start of the period or at the end of the period. And I don't know what your credit card does, so this isn't that important. This will still get you close to what the number is. And then the future value, which in this case, you want that future value to be 0. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. These are the things you're going to need to know. All right, so bear with me. This will make sense as we go. First off, what is your credit card rate? Okay, let's say that your credit card rate is 20% APR, 20% annually. So if we're doing these periods as monthly, how many months will it take for us to pay this off? We need to know how much interest we're paying per month. All right, so if we're paying 20% annually, let's divide 20 by 12. That's how much we're paying per month, 1.667. So on the rate, we need to put 1.667. Okay? Rounds up to 2% on there, but if you click, you'll see here, it's actually 1.667. All right. Number of periods. How fast do we want to pay this off? Do we want to pay this off in 6 months? Do we want to pay this off in 2 years? That would be 24 months. 3 years, 36 months. You choose the number. Let's go with 9 months. Let's say, okay, I got a goal to pay this credit card off in 9 months. What do I got to do per month to do that? All right. Next, we've got the payment. Okay. Leave that alone for right now. What is your credit card currently at? Let's put it at $10,000. Okay. The type, we'll leave that at 0. Future value put at 0, meaning you want this credit card, you want this $10,000 of debt to be 0 in 9 months. Okay. So here's how you do this. You click on the cell that is PMT, which means payment, and you go to formulas. Then you click insert function and choose PMT, insert function. Now you have to tell it which cell is the rate. That's this one. Then go to NPR. Then choose that cell. That's this one. Payment value, leave blank because we're solving for that. Future value, 0. Choose this one. And type, right here, choose this one that's type 0. Click done. And it will calculate what we've got to pay this off in 9 months. Okay, and that is not correct. So let's try this again. We did something wrong. Insert function, choose PMT. It's a monthly payment, insert the function. What's the rate? It's this 2% one. What's the number of periods? It's this one. What's the PV? Oh, that's why we didn't choose the right PV. So PV, present value, it's $10,000. It's this one. FV, future value, we want it to be 0. And type is a 0. Okay, click done. There we go. So to pay this off in 21 months, we need to pay $568.31 every month for 20 months. 9 months, we've got to pay $1,205 every month. So that is how you create a calculator to figure out how much you need to pay per month in order to pay off your credit card in a certain amount of time. You choose what time that is, but that's how you create the formula. And then that's the easy part. Now you got to go out and earn the money so you can put $1,200 towards this credit card every month for 9 months. Hope that helped somebody. Check out the other Excel videos to learn more about Excel. It's a very useful tool. And please subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.